Hello my friend, how are you? I hope you and your family and all your loved ones are doing really well and keeping safe and healthy. And I just hope overall everything is going really well for you. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So I did roll over my blushes from Fenty Beauty. These are actually really beautiful, and I only got to use this once during the spring season. So I have Baked Peach, Fresh Peach, and Juicy Peach. So I could show you those real quick, what they look like. I have that orange one. And this one. I heard that they came out with like 2 more that I'm really interested in getting. But I don't know if they have it by now because I think it was like a cherry collection. So I really wouldn't know if it's still available. I'm also rolling over the Roxy Blush Burst palette. This is so beautiful. I never got to use it. I love using my color pigment palette. This is something I typically use year-round. It's very important to set it with powder after using it so it doesn't break apart during the heat. But I still use cream even if it's summer, but not as much, but it's still around my drawer. So next I am rolling over this blush from Stila. This one's called Blooming Soul, and it's just like a basic light pink color, as well as the Amy Loves base palette. So this one comes with a highlighter and 3 blushes for me to use, so I'm really excited to use that really soon. I have not touched this one at all, so that has to be used as soon as possible. So next for this part, everything is pretty much the same, except I do have 2 blushes from LA Colors. I have this one in the shade Creamsicle. So this one's like a coral orange color. It does have shimmer. And then this one is Sweet Cheeks. And this one's a really bright, bold pink color. Here's a Catrice More Than Glow highlighter. This is in the shade Supreme Rose Beam. Two Wet n Wild Holiday Foxtrot, 1 highlighter and 1 blush. This one is bright pink. And then this one is Soft Rose Gold. I do use this as a blush highlighter combo. I've loved how it looks on my cheeks. It just looks like I have both blush and highlighter on at the same time, so I love using it as blush. Next I have Beauty Bay. This one is Peachy. Here's a Jaclyn Hill Peach Pop matte blush. And then these 2 are rolling over from my spring basket. This one is both from Beauty Concept. So it's like ice cream blush and highlighter duo. And then this one is a blush quad. Next next I have this Jaclyn Hill powder. I am trying to get through. I've only used it once from spring season. This is the one called Brightening Lilac. It's a under eye powder, but I love to set it on my eyes after I use concealer. Or I could also use it all over my face too, to set like my sunscreen. Okay, so for this tray, I don't have too many things here. I only added 3 items for this part right here. This is from Revolution Beauty. It's the Jelly Blush. I have it in the shade Cherry. This one is in Peach. And then the other one is in Strawberry. So I can't wait to use these. These are brand new in my collection. And I have only opened this. But unfortunately, the applicator did come out, so it is loose. I haven't used it yet, but it looks pretty promising. I just have to be a little bit careful with it. And these don't have no scent. I have 2 of the Bath & Body Works lip glosses, Gainum and Gainum Gorgeous. And then over here, I think everything is the same for my lip products. Just because I'm trying to stick through using a couple at a time. So I have the ColourPop So Juicy Lip Oil. This is in the shade So Sassy. The e.l.f. Lip Oil in the shade Rose Envy. So I really love this one. I thought the color to this is absolutely stunning. Here's a Lip Smackers lip gloss in the shade Berry Beauty. Let's see, I have 2 ColourPop Fresh Kiss lip balms in the shade Cherry Glaze and Watermelon Sugar. Victoria's Secret Satin Gloss. This one is Candy Baby. And then this one is Juicy Melon. This is CoverGirl Yummy Gloss in the shade Daylight Pink. I have come to really love this one from CoverGirl. It works wonderful with the formula. It's so moisturizing, and it does have like a really good taste to it as well. So everything else on this basket is the same from my spring drawer from my last video. Everything's the same. I haven't changed anything, but I'll go through it real quick for you just so you can have a little recap with what I'm trying to finish up. Okay, so I do have some minis from Tarte. I have the Juicy Lip. I believe they're both, oh no. So I have one in Lip Vinyl and Juicy Lip. This one is the shade Hibiscus. And then this other one is called Orchid. So I have those 2 minis. A Bobbi Brown Extra Lip Tint Bare Pink. This one's like a mini as well. The L'Oreal Paris Skin Paradise Tinted Moisturizer. The Ayani Clear Lip Gloss. CoverGirl Full Spectrum Lip Gloss. This one is in the shade Yes Oi. But I love this red sparkly color. It called my name for sure. I have a mascara. This one is Pink Victoria's Secret Passion Fruit Lip Oil Tint. Let's see. This one is Neutrogena Lip Soother in the shade Glaze. 3 Victoria's Secret lip glosses in the shade Rose Delight, Berry, Rugbabe, and Peach Tart. Rugbabe. Something like that. The next butter gloss in the shade Sugar Glass. The e.l.f. Cookies and Dream Brain Freeze lip gloss. Estee Lauder in the shade Plum Impulse lip gloss. The Tarte Juicy Shift in the shade Blueberry. This one is Victoria's Secret lip mask and Strawberry Dream. I also have this highlighter from e.l.f. This is a watermelon. I did accidentally break the blush, so I only have the highlighter left, so I really want to get use out of that one, just to use it up. Next I have the e.l.f. Stay Cool Primer Stick. I have this one. I've been using it for the past few days, and I love how it has a cooling sensation when you apply it to the skin. And after I do this, I put on sunscreen after, so it just works really well together. Oh, I also have this NARS lip balm Afterglow in the shade Laguna. This is also a mini I'm trying to finish. Oh, I also have another highlighter from Revolution Beauty in the shade Diamond Glow. So I already used it a couple of times and it's stunning. I absolutely love the formula to that one. And then these last few items, I really am trying to finish these as well. So these were from my spring basket. And this one is Remy Rose Lip Balm in the shade Andrelia. So it's like a tinted lip balm. It smells really good. This is a Beauty Intuition French Vanilla Lip Balm. It's so cute. It looks like a coffee cup. And the Be Pure Floral Lip Gloss in Vanilla. And then I have Kora Organics Rose Quartz Luminizer, just to mix it in with the color pigment, so I could use this one up as well. It works really well together with this color pigment. They go so good together. It creates like a beautiful shimmer blush on me. Okay, my friends, so that is the end for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed this everyday makeup drawer that I have here. Honestly, I just really would love to hopefully get through some of these lip products here, just because I've had them for forever, and I could see that this one I'm almost using up, but not quite yet. It's like almost there but not there. So I'm really trying to be patient and being really good at rotating some new stuff, but at the same time everything is still kind of the same. So thank you so much for being here, my friend. I really appreciate your time, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. May God bless always. Be safe, be well, and I hope you have a good day or night, whatever time you're watching. And I hope to see you soon in my other video. Bye.